Hi guys, Dominic here, a software developer. Here are my favorite Chrome extensions. Stick around to the last one. The first one is ClearCake. What this does, it removes the cake stored on your browser. So you go over to Google Chrome Extension Store and you search ClearCake. Here is it. It clears the cake in your browsing data with a single click of a button. So I'm logged in 11 Labs. So as you can see, this is my profile. I'll just click the ClearCake icon on my Chrome tab. So as you can see, once I just click it, it's going to automatically refresh the browser. And you have to set that for it to work on refresh once you click the button. So look at it. Once it's refreshed, I have to log back in to 11 Labs, just as you see here. The second one being Colorzilla. What Colorzilla does, it just helps you pick the color on your web page or any web page you are currently on. Or maybe you're developing a website for a client and you want to get some colors. You just head over to the icon, you click it, and you head over to wherever you want to select a particular color. I'll select this button on for now. As you can see, the color, it's a yellow hex code there. So I'll just set it again to pick another color just for testing purposes for you to see how wonderful this plugin is. Okay, it's having a glitch here. I'll just try and select some other options to see if the glitch will stop, but if it doesn't stop, I cancel the plugin and start it again, and you see it's going to work just fine. So, yep, just it. The hex code is ready for you to copy and use. The third one will be Go Full Page. What this helps you do, let's say you're trying to preview something to a client or a particular project you've done, you just come to any place. I'll still use 11 Labs, for example, and I click the icon. It's just going to screenshot the whole page and give me a long screenshot of that particular website. So as you can see, it opens it up in a new tab, the particular screenshot, and this is 11 Labs. So this is very, very powerful, and you can zoom in and zoom out. The next one on the list is Wapalizer. What Wapalizer does, it's a technology profiler. It lets you know what technology stack is being used on a particular web page. So as you can see on 11 Labs, you have Google Analytics, PWA, Google Cloud, Preact, Lodash. These are all Java, and it also helps you categorize them. As you can see, the reverse proxies and jigs, web server and jigs, affiliate programs, ClickBank, and the Lodash is under JavaScript libraries. So that's it for this. The next one is going to be Octo3. Octo3 helps you view any GitHub repo as if you're in your VS Code, your Visual Studio editor or your code editor. It pops up by the left side of your browser and you can collapse each folder to see its content. And once you click a particular file, it's going to take you to that particular GitHub repo and the link for you to see what is currently embedded in that particular file. The next one is WhatFont. WhatFont is very useful for designers out there. Let's say you're trying to design a particular uh, muse from a web page and you need to know the font they're using. You can just click the icon. As you can see, it's telling me that there is an Inter font here. When I go down, I see Inter and I see Hyper font. So I can just go to Google and search this particular font, and it gives me free ones. If they are paid, I pay for it, download it, and use it in my project. So this is very useful. Instead of using the demo fonts, you can use this to get what you want. The last on the list, which I talked about, is HTML to design. So I'll head back to my 11 last page and watch what this plugin does. It's with screen. I can use it and I can set the viewport I want to screen grab. It will copy the HTML codes and convert it to a Figma editable design. So as you can see, I clicked the desktop width. It's going to download a particular file. Once this file is downloaded, I head over to my Figma, open a new design file, and once that's loaded, I try to import that particular file that was downloaded from using that Chrome extension. So I just come over to these plugins and search my Figma in the search bar. Figma HTML, HTML to design. Once I click that, you see it's just going to load up some certain things for me. Once that's been loaded up, I'll head over to my file explorer. Once I'm in my file explorer, I just drag in the downloaded file. As you can see, I just drag this in and place it there. It's just going to load everything up. And mind you, this is very wonderful and it's a huge time saver. Instead of inspecting the particular web browser or web page to see the HTMLs and CSS styling, you can just use this plugin to capture a whole website, and you can also capture the mobile view, capture the web view, capture the tab view. Different viewports can be captured using this Chrome extension. Mind you guys, this is currently I can edit anything I want on this particular page. So as you can see, I'm editing the footer, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you guys.